Welcome to Type to Learn training video series. This training will cover importing users. Once you've signed in to Type to Learn, it will bring you to this home screen, or if you're an admin, it will bring you to the home screen, and then you'll select your building. From your building, you will go to the navigation bar and scroll down to the third icon, which is Users. From this screen, you're going to scroll all the way to the right. Underneath the Help link are two buttons. The first button is to create individual users or to import multiple users. We're going to click on the Import User button to import multiple users. From this screen, we're going to download the CSV template. And this template is going to have 9 headings with information listed as examples. So when you edit this template, you want to make sure that you don't delete the headings and you keep the headings the same. So you're just going to go in and you're going to delete all of the examples, type in your information and save it. For the purpose of this training though, I have created a template for us to use. So in this template, you're going to notice the same headings: username, password, first name, last name, email, grade, building, group, and role. Under the username, you're going to select an individual username for each student. It can be lowercase letters or numbers. This example here is a student ID number being used. Passwords are case sensitive and can be letters or numbers. We have chosen a universal password for students in this example. And the next columns are your first and last names. There is an email address column. This is only recommended for our teachers. The next column is your grade default. So this is where you're going to enter your grades for each student, so K through 12. The building assigned, so if you are a Type to Learn account that has multiple buildings, you're going to want to make sure that you have the right building assigned in this column. Your group is your class, so this is where you're going to assign both students and teachers to a certain group or class. And then the role, you can see here from this template we are uploading 8 students and 4 teachers, which is a fabulous student-to-teacher ratio. We're going to focus a little bit on the group column for a minute though. So for example, Sally Johnson here is in first grade in Mrs. K's class. Joseph Smith is also in first grade in Mrs. K's class. Her students get a lot of individualized attention. But you'll also notice that Mrs. K is also assigned to that group. And this is very important. Mrs. K will not have access to Sally Johnson or Joseph Smith's information without being assigned to their group. The only role that has access to all the groups would be the admin role. Once we've entered all this information and we've saved our file, we're able to upload it. So we're going to go ahead and choose the file. And we're going to upload this file to TTL. And we want to make sure that we upload the correct file. And so you'll see it there. And I'm going to click the Upload This File button. And you can see here that my template has now been uploaded into the Type to Learn system. And now I want to upload my users to my account. And if we've created our CSV template correctly, we're going to receive this information. So it's kind of a preview of what we're uploading. And once again, it has our username, our passwords, our first and last names, our email addresses, our grades, our buildings, our groups, and our roles. The additional information here is our status. And this message is a standard message that is received if we did not enter an email address. So no cause for alarm there. We're going to scroll down, and there is the option of choosing your upload type. So we can add new and update existing users. We can update existing users only. So for example, students that are moving from one grade to the next. Or we can just add new students and skip existing users. So for example, I've created this template, but the third week of school, 2 more students start, and I want to add their names to that template and upload the whole thing because it's just easier that way instead of typing in individual information. I can just add the new information and skip existing users. It will always default to the add new and update existing users though. So we're going to upload these users, and then it's going to give me this screen that's showing me what we've imported. And then we're going to continue. It says that we have 0 errors, which we love to see, especially as teachers. And we're going to continue. And now we're going to go right back to our user screen, and it's going to show, once again, that Sally Johnson is in Miss K's first grade class, and there's Miss K assigned to the same group. And this is how we import users into Type to Learn. Thank you for watching this training video today.